Can you hit 10K per month in 2025 as a copywriter? The short answer is yes. The long answer, yes again, but there are some disclaimers. So the thing is, you can hit 10K per month as a copywriter in 2025, but the thing is, it will take time. You cannot expect 10K per month in just 3 months. Let me explain, but before that I have something for you, which is my newsletter that I have linked in the description below. Right inside it you will get copywriting tips, and I'll be sharing my experiences as a copywriter for last 2.5 years. So if you want that, go and subscribe to my newsletter. Again, I have it like linked in the description below. Now let me give you an example. Right in so talking about the video, let me give you an example, which is uh, it took me 7 months to hit my first 8K per month, right? And I started in 2023. So it took me 7 months to hit that number. Was it easy? No. Now, this number might vary. Like, I have a friend who hit that in just 3 months. So the number might vary. But the thing is, which is like constant, is like you have to constantly grind for the number, right? It wasn't easy for me. I had to go through a lot of shits, to be honest, to hit that number, and it was like super hard to hit that number. But the thing is, it is definitely possible, but it is not something that can be predictable, right? You cannot predict that you will be hitting 10K per month in just 3 months or in just 4 months. The number might vary from person to person. Someone might take 3 months, someone might take a year, someone might take 2 years. You never know, but it is definitely possible to hit that number. Now, whether it will you will hit the number or not, it fast, it depends on your experience level. Let's say you are someone who's experienced in copywriting. You have worked a 9 to 5 job as a copywriter. Now you are want to hit 10K per month as a freelancer. So you have already experience in copywriting in a 9 to 5. So it is definitely possible to hit that number, like 10K per month for you, super fast, right? But let's say you are someone who has like little to no experience in copywriting. You just know how to write, that's it. Will you be able to hit 10K per month in just 3 months? Definitely no, right? It will take you a lot of time. You have to first know the business side of copywriting, but because you cannot just write, you have to know how to land clients. So you have to figure those things out. So except for you have like resources, for example coaching programs, or mentorships, or like hefty, like high paying courses that you have bought, except for these resources, it is not possible for you as a newbie to hit 10K per month in just 3 months. It will take you a lot of time. As I said, the number might vary, but you will definitely hit that. Now there's also another thing that I always say people, like, do not set this kind of numbers, this 10K per month dreams and all those things, because what happens is like mostly this 10K per month mark is set by the gurus, like the online gurus, because they know hitting that 10K per month is like the freedom number for most of the people in this world. So they use that to sell their services, their coaching program on YouTube or any other platforms, right? So that is the thing. So they use that number to sell you their dream, to make money out of you, right? So so what you should be doing, instead of like chasing a 10K per month dream or anything like that, what you should be doing is, in my opinion, is uh, like set small steps, like small goals. Like for example, let's say you are at 0 right now. So the first thing that you will want to hit is like 1K, then 2K, then 5K, then 8K, then 10K. So it should go step by step, right? So that is the goal that you should be doing. Like, instead of going for 10K per month in just 3 months, as a newbie you should be going step by step, right? So yeah, I mean, yeah, like 10K per month in 2025 as a copywriter is definitely possible, but it will take time. So be patient, figure things out, set small goals, right? Go like step by step, and that is how you basically hit 10K per month. And I guess, yeah, I mean, that is it for this video. I also do the same, bro, trust me, right? So that is it for this video. If you liked it, I will definitely ask you to like my video, and comment like what is a like dream number that you want to hit as a copywriter in 2025. And again, if you like this video, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And before I end this video, if you're someone who's like want to learn copywriting or who's seeking copywriting tips, go and join my newsletter. And again, bro, sorry for the background noise, I really have to get a mic. I guess that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.